fellow teachers, homeschool moms, or even homeschool dads. This is LaWanda Shields again with Two Cute Classrooms, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can use flowers to teach your students about writing or any other activity that you have in mind for this summer. One, we're going to start off with the writing. The first thing that you can do, of course, is teach your students about how to write paragraphs or how to write essays. You look at a flower, you look at a plant, and we know they have a root, which is the bottom. That is your beginning of your paragraph. That is the beginning of your essay. Then, of course, you have your stem, and we know our stem provides our support. It provides our nutrients to our flower, to our beautiful flower or other plants. And so when we talk about an essence of writing, we're talking about it being our supporting details, which is supplying our nutrients, and it's helping to support the rest of our essay or the rest of our paragraph. Then, of course, we have our beautiful blossom, and that's going to be our conclusion or our end results. And so when we talk about it in relation to writing, we talk about how it all ties in together. This is one way we could teach our students about writing this summer using flowers. The second way in which you can use flowers to teach your students about writing this summer is through descriptive writing. They can talk about how the flower looked, how it smelled. They can talk about the area surrounding the flower. Flowers also evoke memories. You can have them write about a particular flower and how they associate it with a memory. They can lead off into a memory from their childhood, can lead off into a memory of something that they had happen, maybe about something that happened at a Valentine's Day, maybe a Mother's Day, maybe something, hopefully not, but maybe they associate them with maybe a funeral or the death of a loved one. All kind of things that may have happened in relation to a flower. They can even do some creative writing with their flower. You can look at the bees or whatever other pollinators that you have that are visiting your flower and make up a story about that. These are all ways in which you can use flowers to teach writing. Fourth, you could have them write a science article. They could talk about, like I mentioned earlier, the different types of pollinators that visit the flowers. You could have them talk about whether the flower was is it an annual, is it a parental? You can talk about the various types of blooms the flower has. You can talk about the different root systems. All of these are things that you can use in order to teach your students about flowers and about writing this summer.